These are the objectives which we need to cover. Recognize and construct linear equations in one variable. Solve linear equations involving integers and decimal coefficients. Or find the unknown. Okay. So that's all. Acha. So today we will start with the first learning objective, right? So this learning objective is recognize and construct. So construct means that sometimes we will write down the equations on our own. For example, if they will say, if we add 5 to a number, we get 15. So we'll make the equation by, looking at this statement, right? In one way. Acha, now can you tell me what is linear equations? What do we mean by this word linear?
That its value is 1, like x, there's x and its value is 1.
That's right.
Linear.
Very good. So the power of variable is, maximum power of
1.
variable is
1.
1. Very good. So maximum power of variable is 1. So we cannot have like we cannot have x
Ma'am,
square.
can I speak?
जी जी बेटे.
Ma'am, equation mean is equal to sign in it. Like
Very good.
3x plus 7 is equal something like
That's
that.
right. So equation means equal to sign, right?
And
And
in
in
that
one
equation,
variable, sorry,
I mean that equation, there's x and it maximum
power is
power is
1.
1. So it would
So we
call
cannot
that
have x
linear
square,
equation.
right? So one variable would be there. It's not like this is also a linear equation, na? X plus y is equal to, let's say, 3. This is also a linear equation because the variables are having one power, right? When the power is not written, it is 1. Okay?
And
This is a linear
it
equation, but this
is
is
equal.
not in one variable, right? So, so this is like twice the difference between 6 times h. So have you done this in the class? Abrish, have you done it in the class already?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So how can we write this in the in form of equation?
First, we will write the mathematics like twice mean double 2. We will write
ठीक
2
है.
multiply 2 on it.
Hmm.
Then difference mean minus,
Hmm.
and 6 times mean 6 multiplies that h, like 6
6h.
multiply
Hmm.
6h, and 3
And
gives
30.
30
3
minus 3 minus
minus
3
3.
minus.
Right? So if you read this part 6 times h is 6h. Difference between है तो फिर minus 3 or twice the difference. So twice का कैसे लिखेंगे हम? We will multiply this whole with 2, right? Equals to 30, gives 30. It means it is equal to 30, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So there is one more thing. So why I have not written it like this? Like you were saying, na 6 multiplied by h minus 3. So then we will multiply it with double. Twice mean multiply by 2 equal to 30. So why I have not written these multiplication sign in the middle? Why I'm not writing
Ma'am, I
these two
can't
signs?
understand. Can you
You
please
cannot.
speak again?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you repeat yourself again?
Like you were saying that when I said what is 6 times h, so you said 6 multiply by h. तो बट मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया 6h. मैंने इस तरह नहीं लिखा 6 multiply by h. और फिर जब ये ट्वाइस करना था तो फिर भी हमें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करना था, लेकिन मैंने मल्टीप्लाई का साइन नहीं लिखा. So why I'm not writing these two signs?
Ma'am, because we can't write multiply or division sign with any variable.
No, we can write. But in algebra we don't usually write the multiplication sign. जब हमने लिखना होता है ना, अगर हमने लिखना है ना x multiply by y multiply by z, so we prefer to write x y z. Are you getting this? अगर मैंने लिखना है ना 6 multiply by x, तो मैं इस तरह नहीं लिखूंगी 6 multiply. I will write down 6x. So in actually in algebra we try not to write multiplication sign. समझ आई? Instead we will just simple like this means कि x is multiplied with y and z. Are you getting this?
Yes,
Is it all right? So now the second one, sum of 5 times z. So what is 5 times z?
Um, 5 times the 5z.
5z and 4. So what is sum of 5 times z and 4? Plus 4.
5z plus 4
ठीक है,
divided by
अब
7.
देखिए sum of 5 times z and 4 divided by 2. So what will this be? 5z plus 4 divided by
Um,
divided by
divided by 2 is 7,
is equal
mean
to,
is equal to 7.
very good. So now you can check again. Sum of 5 times z and 4 divided by 2 is 7. Right? ठीक है बेटे? Is it making sense? Is this making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now let's look at this. 8 divides, like 8 divides. किसको 8 divide कर रहा है? Total of. Total is a keyword for. Total
Total
is
is
a
a
keyword
keyword
for
for plus.
plus for addition. 3 times f. What is 3 times f?
3f.
3f and 6. So it is 3f and 6 जिसको हमने add करना है. So it will be
Yes.
3f plus 6 divides 8. 8 divides. So it means it is divided by 8 equals what? Equals 3. Right? So 8 divides 3f and 6 equals 3. Is this making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now the last one. Volume of 8 and the product of 5 and q.
Now what is volume of 8?
Volume of 8 and the product of volume of 8. What does that mean actually? Volume of 8 and the
Ma'am, we can
product of
search
5.
it.
I think so. These are the 3 quantities. Volume में हम 3 quantities को multiply करते हैं ना. Like volume का
Yes.
formula है ना. Volume is equal to length, breadth and height. So there are 3 numbers multiplied. So ये वो 3 numbers हैं. Like 8 multiplied with 5q increased by 6 मतलब plus 6 yields, मतलब yields का मतलब है gives you 88. इस तरह होना चाहिए. ये वॉल्यूम क्यों कहा गया है? बिकॉज दीज 3 numbers are multiplied ना, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ 8 and the product of 5 and q increased by 6 gives you to 88. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So अच्छा. So this is the first, we will solve these questions from the book as well, right? So now let's see what to do. Acha, now before we start solving questions, let me tell you one thing. So have you, like in the first term you talked about expressions, linear expressions पढ़े थे ना आपने, linear expressions, and now you're learning about linear equations, right? So what are the difference
Expression
between
mean
these?
like, ma'am, expression mean like that is no equal sign, and in linear equation, that
Hmm.
there is equal sign between two
There
values.
is equal
Like
sign.
3x
Hmm.
minus 7 is equal something like 7y minus like that.
All right. And what would
In
be the
linear equation,
example of expression?
like 3 x minus 3.
That's right, x minus 3. So now tell me, can we solve x minus 3? Linear expressions जो होते हैं ना, we simplify them,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Like we simplify them. Like if it is like this, now 3x plus 9 minus 2x minus 3. So because this 3x is a like term to this, so 3x minus 2x हम लिख देंगे and plus 9 minus 3, है ना? So this answer is 3 minus 2 is x plus 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is your simplified answer. But x is still there in the equation. right, in the expression. So now the linear equations can be solved, right? If they are in the one variable, we can solve them. Like, for example, if the equation is just like you have said, 3x minus 7 is equal to 2. So we can solve this equation and we can find out the value of x. How we are going to do that, that is what we are going to learn. कि how to solve this equation and find out what is the value of x. ये समझ आ रही है बात? Linear equations can be solved. If there is one variable in the equation, so we can solve that equation and we can find out the value of x or the value of variable. ठीक है बेटे? Is this point clear?
Yes.
Abrish, is this point clear?
Yes.
ठीक है? Linear equations can be solved when there is one variable in the equation. So we can solve it and we can write down the, or we can find out the answer of the variable, right? So now let's learn how to solve linear equations. Okay, there are basically 5 steps. There are 5 steps to solve linear equations in one variable. If there is bracket, right? If there is bracket or power, so solve it. Like get rid of it, open it. If there is a bracket in the question, expand it. I must say, not solve, expand it. If there's power, open it. Are you getting this? This is the first step. I will give you the example
Yes, ma'am.
also. Now the second step. Second step is variable, move variable to left side. Variable terms, जितनी भी variable की terms है ना, एक है, दो हैं, you need to move those terms to left side of equation, right? ठीक है बेटे? So now the third
Yes.
step. Move numbers, या numbers को हम क्या कहते हैं algebra में? Constants. Move constants to right side of equation. ठीक है? Is it clear till this point? Is it?
Yes.
All right. Now the fourth step is combine the like terms. अब सारी, after the third step, all the variable terms would be on the left side of the equation and all the constants will be on the right side of the equation. So you need to combine the like terms. जो variable terms हैं उनको combine कर दें और जो numbers हैं उनको, या constants हैं उनको combine कर दें. ठीक है? And the last step is, now after combining, there would be one variable term on the left side and one constant term on the right side. So now divide both sides. Divide both sides. Divide both sides with the coefficient. You know now what is coefficient? Of variable. Do you know what is a coefficient?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Coefficient is the number which is written with the variable. For example, if it is
Yes,
3x,
ma'am.
so 3 is the coefficient,
The
right?
3 is
So now
coefficient.
let's solve one question, right? For example, I'm writing the question on the top. For example, the question is 3x plus 5 is equal to, let's say, mm, 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 45, right? This is the question. 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 45. So now what is the first step? Is there a bracket in the question? Hmm? Abrish, is there a bracket in the question?
Yes.
Yes. So we will expand it. You have learned how to expand it. So do you tell me what is the answer if I open this bracket?
3
Hmm?
3x plus 15.
Is equal to 45.
45.
So this is the first step. If there is a bracket, expand it. If there is a power, solve it. Okay. Now we need to move the variable term to the left side. This is the only variable term. There are 3 terms now. Let me highlight it for you. How many terms are there in this equation? How many terms? There are 3 terms.
Two,
This is
three
plus
terms.
3x plus
X
15,
15
and this is
and
plus
plus
45.
45.
There are three terms. One is the variable term, two are the constant terms, right? So now the second step of this equation solution is that move the variables towards the left side. There is only one variable term and that is already on the left side. So do I need to do anything?
No, ma'am.
No, because the variable is already on the left side. So I will not move it. So now the third step, move the constant to right side of equation. So this constant is already on the right side, but this is not on the right side. So this is plus 15. When I will take it
Yes.
towards the other side of the equation, it will be
Minus.
minus 15. Is this step clear? This plus 15, when it
Yes.
will go to the other side of the equation, this will become minus 15, right? So now we have rearranged the terms. The variable terms are
Now
on the left
combine the
side
like
and the
terms.
constants are on the right side. Now we
So
need to
these are the
combine.
combined like terms. They
So
are
3x,
combined.
that's right. 45 minus 15, what would be the answer? What is 45 minus 15?
30.
30. So now the last step, divide both sides with the coefficient. So what is the coefficient of the variable?
3x.
3. X is the
3.
variable. इसका coefficient क्या है? 3. So you
3.
will divide both sides with the coefficient. So divide both sides. This will be gone and x will be equal to 30 by 3 is 10. So what is the value of x?
10.
10. Is this clear? The steps in the example?
Yes.
All right. So now let's solve a few questions of this worksheet. Let's solve this question. Can you see the question, bete?
Yes.
So what is the first step, Abrish?
Expand.
Expand. So what will be the answer?
Um, 6x minus 2.
6x minus
2.
2 is equal to 7x minus 3. Now what is the second step?
Yes. Like variables on one side and
That's right. How many terms are
constants.
there? Abrish, how many terms are there?
2 terms.
हाँ, total कितनी है इस पूरी equation में?
4.
4 terms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So there are two constant terms, two numbers and two variable terms and two constant terms. So if you take this 7x on this side of the equation, what will that be?
Um,
This is plus
6
7x. If you take it on this side of the
minus
equation,
7. Minus
minus
7x.
7x minus 2 is equal to minus 3.
3.
Right? ये plus 7x जब इस side पे गया तो it is minus 7x. So now you need to take ये 6x or minus 7x are fine. Minus 2 should not be on this side of the equation. It will be on the other side. So 6x minus 7x. So if this minus 2 will go on the other side of the equation, it will be
Plus.
plus 2. So now the
So now
integers plus 6 minus 7
minus 1.
minus 1x. And
Minus
this is
1x
minus 3
is equal
plus 2.
1.
1 minus 3 plus 2
Minus 1.
minus 1. Right? So now the last step, divide both sides with the coefficient. What is the coefficient of this variable?
1.
No, minus 1. Right?
Minus.
What is the coefficient of x? It is minus 1. So now this x ये भी cancel हो गया. This is also cancelled. So x is equal to 1. Right? Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is 1. Right? Any confusion, bete?
No, ma'am.
Like, is this clear?
Yes.
So can we solve this part now? It is minus 2 multiplied by 7x minus 4. So there are two brackets. First step would be expand. So how to open this bracket?
X, mine to 14x
Minus
minus
14x minus 2 multiplied by
9
minus 4 plus,
plus 8.
okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now the second side. 7, if you multiply 7 with both of them, what will that be? 7x minus 7, right?
Yes.
अच्छा Abrish, why we have, okay, I got it कि हमने 2 से multiply किया है, but why the signs are changed? This was plus 7x, now it is minus 14, and this was minus
Uh,
4, now it is plus 8.
because we are
because
looking
there is a
like that. Um,
because there is a negative sign outside. Whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, all the signs inside will be changed. This was plus 7x. Now it is multiplied with minus 2. It is minus 14x. This is minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. It would be plus 8. ठीक है बेटे? So now what?
yes.
What is the second step? How many terms are there, Abrish?
Um, 4.
4 terms. So this x is fine. It should be on the left side. But this 7x is not on the right side. So it should come on this side. If this plus 7x is coming on the other side of the equation, it will be, it would be plus
Um,
7x. When it will go to the other side of the equation, it will be
the minus 8.
minus 7x. हाँ, minus 8 अब होगा.
Yes.
So minus 14x minus 7x. Now this 8 will go on the other side of the equation. So minus 7 minus 8,
Minus 7 minus 8.
right? So now if we combine the like terms, what is minus 14 minus 7?
Um, minus my
Hmm.
mom.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am,
What is,
let me.
they are like integers. So what to do with the like integers?
Plus
We add the numbers and the sign remains same. So 14 और 7 add करें तो it is minus
20
21x
minus 21 x is equal um,
minus,
15.
right? Same integers, so add the numbers and sign will remain the same. So now what to do? Divide both sides
With 21.
with coefficient of variable. So it is minus 21. So we will divide both sides with minus 21. So this is cancelled. यहाँ पर x रह गया. So now let's look at this. This minus divided by minus is a plus. So now 15 and 21. So with which number I can divide? I can divide with
3.
3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So this is your answer. In this question, x is 5 by 7. ठीक है बेटे? Any question?
No.
All right. So now moving on to this one. There are decimals also in the question. So let's start with this first one. What to do? It's like uh, 3y plus 0.5 is equal to 1.7. So how to solve it?
Uh,
Is there any bracket which we can expand? There is no bracket.
no.
So then we can see move on to the next step. This is the variable term 3y. It is already on the left side, right? So this is also on the right side of the equation. So now the third step. Numbers or constant should be on the right side of the equation. So this 1.7 is also on the correct place, but 0.5 is not. So if I take this plus 0.5 on the other side of the equation, it will be plus 0.5. It would be, if this 0.5 is a plus, if it goes to this side of the equation, it will be minus 0.5. Are you getting this?
Yes.
ठीक है, हमने अभी तक क्या किया है? हमने क्या किया है? This 3y is already on the right side, so left side we will not move it. The 0.5 should be on this side of the equation, so हमने 0.5 को equation की दूसरी तरफ move किया. It was plus on this side. When it will come on this side, it will be negative. So now what is 1.7 minus 0.5? कैसे solve करते हैं? 1.7 0.5. What is the minus करें? 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1 minus 0 is 1. तो ये आपके पास क्या आंसर होता है? 3y is 1.2. So now divide both sides with what? Abrish, what is the now what to do?
Yes.
3y is 1.2. Now which step we are left with? हमें तो y की वैल्यू चाहिए ना बेटे. So what to do?
We
Divide
can
both
add
sides with
3. 3.
3 so that this 3 is cancelled. So now y is equal to 1.2 divided by 3, 0.4. What is the value of y?
Yes.
0.4.
0.4.
नहीं 1.4 नहीं 0.4. ठीक है? Any question?
No.
All right. So now let's solve the second part. देखा? Third part. So there are how many terms in this question? Question number 3 में. How many terms? Abrish,
There
how many
are
terms are there?
3.
3 terms. So two are the constant, two are the variable terms. B is the variable, and 1 is the constant term. ठीक है? There is no bracket, so we will not expand. So this B is fine. This 5 is also on the correct side. The 0.7b we need to move it. So if you take this 0.75b on the other side of the equation, it would be
Mm, mm,
minus
minus.
0.75b. Right? ये plus था ना, on the other side of the equation it would be minus is equal to 5. So आप मुझे बताएं what is the coefficient of this b? इसमें से मैं कैसे माइनस करूं 0.75? What is the coefficient here?
The coefficient is 0.75.
नहीं वो तो इसका है ना. What about this b? इस b का coefficient क्या है?
1.
1. Very good. So when it is not written, it is 1. अब देखो मैंने क्या करना है अब्रिश, मैंने 1 minus 0.75 करना है, तो कैसे करूं? कैसे सॉल्व करूं इसको? 1 को ऊपर रखना है. पहला स्टेप क्या है? डेसिमल अंडर द डेसिमल. 1 का डेसिमल कहाँ पर है? उसके लास्ट पे है. राइट बेटे, इज इट मेकिंग सेंस और नॉट?
Yes. No.
So now what to do? I will just pad the zeros. 1 minus 0.75. Now I will subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 0.25 is the answer. 0.25b is equal to 5. So now divide with what? Divide with
Divide with 5.
0.25.
0.5.
The coefficient of the variable b का coefficient क्या है? 0.25. तो इसको भी divide कर दिया. So this is cancelled. So b is equal to What is 5 divided by 0.25? इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? 5 divided by 0.25. अब if I remove this decimal, how many zeros will come here?
So the with 100.
200. हाँ, so 2 zeros will come. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. So what is the value of B?
20.
B is 20. ठीक है बेटे? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
What about the last part? How to solve it? 0.5. This is the last part. 0.5 y minus 2. What would be the first step? Open the bracket. Yeah, expand it. Right? 0.5 इन दोनों से multiply हो रहा है, तो we need to multiply it. How to expand? क्या आंसर आएगा? ठीक है, 0.5y minus what is 0.5 multiplied by 2?
0.5 multiplied by 2.
It is 1, right? 0.5 is half. So half multiplied by 2 is 1. ठीक है? Right? It is 0.5 is half. Is it making sense? 0.5 multiplied by 2 is 1. Right?
Ma'am, now variables on one side
That's
and
right. So
rest on the
0.5y. This is plus y. When it will go on this side, what will this be? Minus y. Minus 1 is equal to 0. ये 0 क्या बता रहा है? इस तरफ कोई भी अब टर्म नहीं है. 3 टर्म्स है ना, तीनों एक साइड पे हमने कर दिए. Now this is 0.5y minus y. This minus 1, when it will go on the other side of the equation, it would be plus 1, right? Minus 1 turns into plus 1. So now what is 0.5 minus 1? 0.5 minus 1.0 यानी कि तो ये कितना आता है आपके पास? 5, ये 10 इसको बोरो किए तो ये like this is minus 1 or plus 0.5. So answer would be minus 0.5y is equal to 1. 1.
now write the coefficient.
So
0.5
now divide both
under
side
4.
with minus
0.5.
0.5. So this will be, ये cancel हो गया तो y is equal to minus will remain as it is और 1 divided by 0.5. अगर आप 1 का डेसिमल मूव करें तो ऊपर आपके पास आ जाता है 10. So 10 by 5 is 2. So value of y is minus 2.
2.
Right? So are these questions difficult?
The last question is
All right.
somewhat tricky.
So I want you to solve it on your own also, right? Do solve these questions at home, right? So that you are having an idea of what we are doing. So, Bete, can you do these questions on your own, like these one?
Yes,
ये
ma'am,
वाले
I will.
तीन question. So, do you want me to send these questions?
Yes.
All right.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my math test of ratio. That's why
All right.
now I that as well.
All right.
That is
So, I have
prepared, but
shared all the 3 videos of ratio as well. You can listen to
yes,
them again,
ma'am,
maybe.
I solved the worksheet again. I
All
solved
right.
them
I
again.
have shared the 3 videos of ratio also, right? So, now I will send the 4 videos of uh, percentage. ठीक है? So you can practice, you can listen to the videos again and you can try it on your own. ठीक है बेटे?
Okay, ma'am.
So these 3 questions you can practice at home. So would you be having time to solve these because आपने तो test prepare करना होगा ना?
Ma'am, I will take time. I can do it in the morning.
So not today, you can do it tomorrow then. ठीक है? अच्छा, what about this one? What to do? Is there any bracket which we need to open?
Oh, we have to combine. We have
Move
to
the variable
variable
terms.
on one.
So This is 8q. This 4q, when it will go on the other side of the equation, it will be
q minus
minus
4q.
4q plus 6
And
minus is equal to
plus
minus 14.
my
Right?
plus 6 will go on the other side.
Right. So what will it be?
Minus 14 minus 6.
Very good. It would be minus 14 minus 6. So now what is this? 8 minus 4
4.
and minus 14 minus 6. Minus 14 minus 6.
8
Huh? No, no.
minus
They are like terms. Minus and dono. They're like
plus
friends. Minus 14 minus 6. So how many minus numbers? Minus
20.
20. Okay. So now what is the last step? Divide both sides with the coefficient. So what will be
Yes.
q?
Q is 5. Minus
Minus
5.
5, right? Because there is a negative sign. So moving on to question number 4. So Meera, sorry, Abrish, how to solve this question? What to do? What is the first step? Expand the brackets.
Bracket.
So there is no number here. So actually there is a 1 here. 1 minus 1 से multiply करें. So minus is there. So the signs inside will be changed. This 5t is a plus. Now it is minus 5t. This minus 13 is now plus 13. Is there any question?
No, ma'am.
Uh, So Abrish, how many terms are there?
Um, there are 4.
4 terms. Or how many variable terms are there?
2.
Huh?
2.
Which two?
5 minus 5t and
And
none 1.
और तो कोई नहीं है ना? There is only one variable term. This is minus 5t. इसका मतलब I will take these both on the other side of the equation. This is minus 25. This plus 7 will be minus 7. This plus 13 would be minus 13. Right? Minus 5t is equal to. Now what is this? They are all negative numbers. They are all friends. Minus 25, minus 7, minus 13. So we will just add the numbers and the sign will remain same. So 13 and 7 is 20. 20 and 25 is 45. So the sign will remain same, minus 45. Now what is the last step? Divide both sides with the
Coefficient 5.
coefficient of the variable. So here it is minus 5, minus 5. So this is cancelled. So t is equal to minus minus will be plus. Minus divided by a minus is a plus. 15 divided by 4 would be. So this 45 divided by 5 would be 9. So what is the answer? T is equal to T is 9,
E is
right?
plus 9.
So beta any question?
No, ma'am, but I can ask.
Question na? 30 plus 7y is equal to 2y minus 6. So what we did in this question, Abrish, you can see on the screen. So first of
Yes.
all, we took this 2y on this side of the equation. Let me change the color. Okay. The first step was that I need to move the variable on the right. So I moved this 2y here, right? So this will be 7y minus 2y plus 30. ठीक है बेटे? How it is plus 30, Abrish? How this plus sign is coming with 30? पहले तो कोई sign नहीं था.
Ma'am, there is invisible plus.
That is right. There is invisible plus. So now we are doing algebra and we know that there is a sign with every number or the variable. ठीक है? So either it is a positive sign or a negative sign. अगर आप इसको नहीं डालेंगे तो you might think it is a negative number. ठीक है? So now what? Now this 7y minus 2y was fine. So this plus 30, I need to take it on the other side of the equation. So this will be minus 6 minus 30. Right? Is it clear? So now the last step. Plus 7 minus 2. What was the answer? 7 minus 2. And suppose 5y. Right?
Bye bye.
And this is minus 6 minus 30. Answer is minus 36. So minus 36 by 5. Right? Any question, bete?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. So we will practice this topic more tomorrow, inshallah. From book also and from workbook, there are few questions left.